I'm Kushal and I started watching anime in my first year. My first anime was Death Note and currently I'm watching AOT.
Abdul here, and I started watching anime when I was like a little kid, chota bacha, I was like 5 or something, and Dragon Ball Z was playing. I watched that, and then Pokemon, Beyblade, and along the years I discovered Naruto, One Piece, and then that thing started off, and then right now I'm currently I finished Bungo Stray Dogs.
I'm Suhas. So I used to watch anime since I was kid itself, but I didn't know it was anime. Like Digimon, Pokemon, all those things were there now. Then around 2016 or 2017 I started again. Like Death Note I started. Now currently I'm in a weird state. Like I talk about anime, I post about anime, and I recommend people to watch anime, but I myself don't watch anime anymore. No? So you can call me a retired otaku.
Yeah, hi. So I'm Sujay and I think my first test with anime would be Gurren Lagann and then as usual Death Note and other sort of animes. And then I kind of stopped watching anime altogether, and then I met this guy through college, and then now no, I started watching. I started watching Attack on Titan, Demon Slayer, and then some obscure animes that I'm not really sure of. I don't remember the names. So and all the movies as well. And I recently started watching Dragon Ball Z as well. So yeah, that is with me.
Hi, I'm Vanilla. I started watching anime when I was in 10th grade, influenced by my friends. And then I'm still watching. My first anime was Death Note.
Hello, I'm Athar, and well, I got into anime quite a long while back. And one anime I'd like everyone to watch is Domestic Girlfriend. Please watch that. It's a great anime. Just watch that and read the manga then. I'd like to continue this.
Hello, I'm Mahi. I started watching anime like in standard third, that's very long back. Anyway, I would recommend animes like Made in Abyss or Dorohedoro or the dark comedies and stuff. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sahil, and I've not been watching anime for a whole while, and it feels very intimidating seeing people who have been watching anime for like 20 years. But for me, my journey has been quite similar to Kushal right here. I started in my first year. I'm in my second year right now, and I started thanks to this guy here, Atharv. He's been bombarding me with recommendations, and I'm currently watching Pantheon, that is on Netflix. Thank you.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Gunay. So my first anime was like a while ago. I think it was Yu-Gi-Oh on TV. Then I got back into anime with Death Note in 2016 and have been following seasonals since then. And my favorite show is a space soap opera from the 1980s, Legend of the Galactic Heroes. Yeah, so that's one that a lot of people should watch, but most haven't.
I'm Nirupama. I've been watching anime since I was in 8th grade as well. So that's about 15 years now. I think I can't say any favorite anime, but I can talk about some current anime that I'm watching, which I really like. That time I got reincarnated as a slime is kind of going pretty good right now on my list. So, thank you.
I'm Vasant. I started watching about since 7th grade. The first actual anime I watched was K-On! On Animax. That is where this whole journey started. For me, a personal recommendation would be Evangelion.
I'm Pallav. Yeah, I started watching anime back from Animax times, also Pogo and Hangama times, Pokemon, Kochikame and all that. One anime I suggest watching for every person on this earth, Death Note, and some others like Erase, The Promised Neverland, all those good stuff. Yeah, cheers.
I'm Ashmit. So basically I started watching anime back in 2003, I guess. That time it aired on Animax. I watched Cardcaptor Sakura. Then it's a long journey. Then I watched a lot of animes. Few animes that I'll recommend that's on my top 3 list. I will say Steins Gate, Code Geass and Monogatari series. Maybe You guys can try if you have time.
I'm really glad that all of you could come here. So, it's me now. I say that.
She is in charge of customer care.
Yes, I'm customer care. The support
She's the
crew.
PR of the day.
Yeah. I'm the emoji queen. I'm the cat of Cisco. Whatever you guys know me as. So hi. I'm so sorry. These are our other admins. Mahi. That's Dipsy. Where are our other admins? They disappeared. There. We're going to divide you guys according to your blood groups. Before we start the session. Maybe, who knows? Maybe you're lucky then you'll have a bigger group. So, I'm not going to go for positive and negative because then it will become too many groups and there are only 2 admins right now. So, because only 4 of us are there. So, I just go for 4.
Are there any Winter fans here?
Yeah. Can Winter fans please come here?
We can do. You guys just shuffle up your spaces. Just shuffle up your spaces. Like you're going to get 3 people.
Okay, opposite of winter, who likes summer?
Yeah.
Can summer fan please come here?
I hate all 500 days of summer. One, two, three.
What?
Summer and winter.
Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
One more. You got it, man. You got it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Wow. Nice one. Basically, the question was, what's your unpopular opinion on hosting, right? So you guys have to choose your champion and you make them give out their unpopular opinion. And whenever you hear the opinion, you choose. Okay, guys, if you agree with the opinion, cheer. If you disagree, boo. Okay, then plan to.
Go Atlanto, bro. Atlanto. Again. Yes. The same thing.
Yes.
So Gojo is a Walmart. Louder. Gojo is a Walmart kiske ura hara. Okay, Team Winter.
Your name is the worst Shinkai movie.
Your name. It
feels like.
No, she has points. She has points.
Explain your suggestion.
Okay, double.
Explanation. So the part about it being separated in space and time is conveyed in Shinkai's previous works. The only new addition is kind of the way in which the movie is portrayed. The movie is directed a lot like TV anime and not like other movies that Shinkai has worked on. In addition, it kind of exhibits the peak of the unisex phenomenon and the whole part of it feels very market research to be honest. So that is the part which I
What's your hot take?
My hot take is 5 centimeters per second, and Makoto. Main point is Makoto Shinra movies have progressively gotten better. However, I do think Your Name was his lighting in the bottle, so it doesn't count.
No, but okay, team 4.
CGI is way better than hand-drawn animation.
Example, we get more episodes. What? Example of this thing.
I actually agree.
It's good. AOT season 4. The animation is good. Season 4 is very good. The thing is, I agree with you. How is it good? Reason being, just because certain studios can't do it well doesn't mean it's bad. Every single one of the Hoyoverse cinematics are mind-blowing. Every single one of the Wuthering Waves animations are mind-blowing. Just because it is anime. They can reproduce the same thing in actual anime.
No, but there is actual anime which uses 3D CG. There is a lot of there are a lot of idol shows which currently heavily rely on CG, which I think most of us haven't watched. Even I haven't watched, but I've seen excellent 3D CG being used over there, which I genuinely think can compete with CG with hand-drawn animation, because it does help in terms of production timelines and so on. But in general, no, I don't want
I disagree on that. Alright, so which was more boost for CGI is better than hand-drawn animation? Shinkai. Your Name is the worst Shinkai. Okay, whoever wants to go for Your Name is the worst Shinkai, boo now. Whoever wants to go for CGI is better than hand-drawn. Okay, Nivisan wins. Team Winter wins. Winter has come.
It feels great to have my bad take be heard by a lot of people, but I don't like that people disagree with it.
Okay, so basically we are done.
Done?
Okay, so let me explain something. We had not done a meetup in a while, so we thought of doing one this year, and this was it. This was pretty simple. It was just, socializing, meeting up, and just talking to each other. Hopefully, we plan more things next time onwards, and hopefully you guys show up next time as well. Thanks a lot for showing up.
Hopefully you'll be BAC. Back.
Yes.
Back.
Go back.
A few moments later.
The rhythm won't worry if you fall behind. I'll be home until you're hurry.